Hey everyone, this is Kamal. I'm the founder of SaaS Solar CRM. So today we are going to demonstrate a couple of features of our CRM here. So currently on your screen, we have a home page where we can see, all the tabs on the top, where we got like leads, account, contact, opportunities, and under opportunities we have got quotes, contract, payments, and invoices. And then we also have given you the project management where you can define, the milestones. You can have the installation teams, or your whatever people you have for your projects. All right, and then you have the installers. You got the time card here, which your team will punch the time when they're doing any task for you. And then we can also have the expenses here. So this expense can be for the company or to your customer. And then you have the approval process that if you have multiple directors in your company, so you can define whether one director, two, three, five, unless until they don't approve. So this expense should not be approved. And then we got the survey here. So this CRM is basically for solar industries, but this can be fully customizable as per your industry as well. For example, if you're in the real estate or you're in retail business or any professional services. Then we have given you case management where you have the ticketing system. If your customer has got any problem, so when there is a case, so you can manage the cases here. Then we got the reports, we have the products, we have campaigns here where you can send up to 5,000 emails every day. You can run multiple different kind of campaigns with the beautiful HTML email templates. We have given you a documentation thing here where you can have folders in folders. I will cover that in detail later. We have got the warehouses where you can track what item of your stock inventory is lying in which warehouse. Then we have given you my task, which is a kind of drag and drop kind of thing. And then last we have leaderboard where you have the incentivize plans, the incentive which you give to your people when they achieve the sale or they generate leads for you. So let's start with the homepage first. So here we have the global search, and global search works something like this. If I find myself here, so wherever this will find the value of Kamal, whether it's lead, is account, contact, or opportunity. So it'll show you all the detail wherever in this CRM it'll find Kamal. It'll show you all, like it's showing here in accounts we got two, contacts we got two. So we're given a number here as well. Let's go back on the home page. These are your shortcuts if you want to create new lead. So you simply hit on lead, and because this is for solar industry right now, so we have given you whether it's a commercial solar lead or it's a residential. So you can choose residential and then you go next, and this is how you can create the lead quickly. All right, all these values which are in drop down, these are all customizable. You can remove whatever you don't like, and you can add yourself whatever you want to have for your company as per your business process. So same thing goes with the rating. Instead of hot, warm, cold, if you want to have something else, you can do that. Lead source, exactly same thing. Whatever you want to remove or add, you can do that yourself. And then we have given you different currencies here as well. All right, and then financing option for the solar, cash and check and credit, all this kind of stuff. We have given you credit and the couple of fields. If you do the, if you're in the credit score, check for the customer, so you can have the, what's the score and how the rating look like, all those kind of stuff. By the way, any of the field you think this is extra for you is removable, and any of the field you want to create, we will help you creating those fields for you. Then we have the energy requirement here. Then we have given you Google, search thing for the address, so you can find the address and then you can simply hit on this. It's saved here. We have given you two different addresses. This can be billing address, this can be installation address. So the moment you choose this, it copy here and then you can save. This is how you save the lead here. Exactly same goes here as well. But one very good thing we have done, we also have given you like this. If I choose account, you can have commercial, residential, or your partner. That can be your vendor or even your competitor, because it's very important to stay close with the competitor. Why they are winning more deals than you, whether it's a price factor, service, guarantee, warranty, what exactly, or maybe different product. So whenever you close any deal, you can tag your competitor that this guy he got the deal, not me. So then you can start working on their strategy, that what they're working on, why they're winning more than you. That's why we have that here. These are your recent 10 items, whatever you opened recently. All right. And this is what I was talking about, the approval for the expenses. All right. So this thing is going to be here. Then we have given you a dashboard, which are customizable. Let me show you like this. So if I want to add cases here as well, so here we go. So now you have the cases on the top. All right. So any of the dashboard, if you want to remove, you can remove them. We have given you the task here, whatever your pending task, your upcoming task, your current week task, so we have given you predefined filter as well. So you can choose any of the filter, and then you can say that, okay, these things are, working like that. And if you want to assign task to someone else, maybe say next week, you're planning for some party somewhere, maybe you're going for some event, you're not going to be in the office. So whatever your next 7 days task going to be, you can assign all of them to your some colleague as well, so they can take care. So let's go back on all pending for time being. And these are your meetings, appointments, where you have you can invite multiple people, for the meeting, like your manager, your junior, your senior. You can involve those people in the meeting thing, calendar thing. Then we have the dashboard. The dashboards are not just numbers or bars. You simply hit on this and it takes you inside. So we click on 64. So these are now 64. If I click on any one of these lead, this is how your lead will look like, where we have given you a couple of social media links on top if you want to connect with those guys. We have given you a meeting invite link, so you don't have to click on 10 buttons to just generate, meeting thing. All right. We have given you email thing. And then we have given you task creation thing, whether you want to create a new task or you want to log a task which you have just done. All right, this is the basic information about the lead. Then the credit score, energy detail. You want to have some notes for yourself or about the company, about the lead. Of course, you got that here. We got the different addresses. This is how you have task thing. So this is a pending task which I supposed to do on 23rd of Jan. So if I will finish the task, what happened is I simply click on clear and it changed the status to completed. And then if I want to add any comment further, otherwise this is just dummy content right now, I can only save this to push this task into history that I have already done this task, or if I want to create a follow-up task. Let's do this. And need to do, say, survey. All right, so what's the date? I'm gonna be on 21st. All right, and let's type same thing here. Need to do survey here. What is the priority of task? It's very high. And what is the status of task? It's in progress. I have to do it. If I have to attach any document related to this task, of course I can do that. Simply hit on that and I can choose any of the files, say for example this one. So I can attach that document here and I can save it. Now you will see the task which was there earlier that has gone in history, and the new task I created is here. This is how you can track the history, and this is very important, by the way. I see a lot of people, they just make the notes to themselves and then they forget to follow up with the leads on time. But this is a very important thing for anybody who is using CRM. Now imagine there's an ABC guy who was working on this lead, or he's working on 50 leads with your company, and that guy leaves your company or gets sick or something. So if you assign these leads to another guy, so that guy from the history, he can track what all thing has been done with this lead, and this is where I need to start now. Exactly. That's very important. Now, we have completed task. So it's not mandatory that only open task, you hit on clear and goes in history. If you want to create further, so you can even click on that, which will automatically come like completed. You can have their, had a phone call and taken time for survey, blah, 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 whatever your task is. So you can even create history directly from here as well. If you want to send email, you simply click on that. So our system is able to send the email, and email also will be saved in the history so you can see what email you have sent actually. And then let's talk about the Gmail thing. So we have integrated Gmail for you in case if you guys are using Gmail. So you hit on that, it opens your Gmail account which you logged in right now, and then it sends the email. So yeah, so that's very much possible there. Okay, and then let's talk about the meetings. Of course, whatever meetings you have, let me show you. So if I open this new appointment, and you can have, let's choose the same thing. Need to do survey. Of course, survey is going to be on site, and invite more people. This is what I was telling you about. So I want to have Wapa with me. Right, what is the start time and time? So we can have like I'm going to be there by 9:30 a.m. and I should not be spending more than half an hour to do my survey. All right, and show time as am I busy, free, out of office? I'm gonna be out of office. Yeah, send me the reminder, and then choose the time. Say if 9:30 I'm gonna be there, so remind me at 10 a.m. my morning that I have a meeting today. And then that's public, of course. Anybody in my company they can see. Is there any kind of expense involved in this? Yes or no? What's the location? I can say San Diego, India Street, where I used to live. All right, and then we have this thing here. If you want to add any notes here, of course you can do that. So now we have the meeting scheduled, as we can see here. This is how you can see. All right. Then we have the file attachment related to this particular lead. Now we have given you three options here. You can have Google Doc link. If you use Dropbox, you can integrate Dropbox with this CRM. If you want to use our system to upload documents, you simply hit on that. All right, and you can drag and drop, or you can just click on that and then you upload. Let's choose the same file, and then I can upload this document here. Here we go. You want to view the document, you simply click on that, it opens a new window, and that's works here. And then we got the campaigns thing here, which I told you on the top that you can send up to 5,000 emails every day. So what you can do, for example, just say, assume that you're running a news paper, advertisement campaign or Google ad campaign. So if this lead has come from Google ad, so what you can do, you can simply hit on this button as well, and then you can choose your campaign, whatever you are running right now. So say newsletter, for example. Now you have tagged this lead, that this lead came from your newsletter campaign. So now you know that from this campaign, how many leads I have generated. Guys, assume you run 4 different kind of campaign in a year. A newspaper, magazine, local TV, or Google ad, kind of, maybe Facebook ad, whatever. So you are investing money on that. You're investing time on that. Now, you want to see that which campaign was the most successful. So your company can then keep running those kind of campaigns because that is giving you more better results actually. That's why this campaign thing for the CRM is very important. Or if this lead has come from some reference, any partner, you can tag your partner here. This is how the lead thing is going to work. Now let's go further. I can clone the lead if I need to. I can convert lead when I'm sure this lead is qualified. How this is going to be qualified? I'm talking to them. They're saying, yeah, we are looking for your services. We are looking to buy your things, this and that. So this lead is qualified, for example. And this is a hot lead right now. And what was the lead source? So I say Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to save this. So I know that this guy, okay, lead currency, I'm going to choose US dollars. All right. Website is something like, has to be www, and I'm gonna save this now. Okay, let's try with this. I don't know what's wrong with this. Let me try to put my email. Okay, there was something wrong with the spelling or something, I don't know, weird. But this is how you save the information. And now we can convert this lead to make the opportunity. Okay, a lot of people, they ask me, they'll come out, what's the difference between a lead and opportunity? Because lead is, of course, a prospect, and opportunity is not like close one thing. It's again opportunity, means again prospecting thing. What's the difference? So the answer is, Lead is something which can be inbound, outbound, just an inquiry. You are not sure whether they're going to buy your product or your services. It can just be inquiry. Okay, but opportunity is when you actually nurture the lead and you have qualified, when you have concrete answer from the customer that yes, give me quote, I'm looking to buy this, your service or your product. That moment you convert this lead into opportunity. Let's do that here. What is the conversion status here? We can say that they are asking for a proposal. Okay, uh, the way I design this, or the way I use it, I will give like a 27 kilowatt, and Tesla. This is how easily I can recognize what is this opportunity all about. So I know they're looking for solar system for 27 kilowatt, and they are preferring Tesla solutions. So I know that. And in our CRM, another one good thing we have done, for example, if you have pre-sales team and then you have different team to do actual sale, so you can even assign this opportunity to somebody else in your team. So this is Lisa Morgan, which I have logged in right now. And this is another one guy, MKTG. So if I want to assign this opportunity to MKTG, I can choose that here. Now this is gonna be the record owner. Yes, I want to send this guy a notification in the email that hey, you got a new opportunity here. All right. And then if I want to create a task also for this guy, all right, need to do survey, go with say Bill. All right, that's the task which I'm gonna create. When is the task gonna be? So we're gonna choose like on Monday. I'm assigning this task. What is the status of the task? It's in progress. What is the priority? It's a high. So now this NKTG guy, he knows that this is a very important task. It's a high priority task. And then I can send him a reminder also on his email. I can choose date and time here. So he even get email. So let's convert this lead now. So we got the lead here. All right. These are the opportunities. And under opportunity, we have got 27 kV, this one. So this is the lead we just converted. Now, in this opportunity, if you want to have some kind of manager on top of you, or any manager is on top of you, you can have that guy here, or any of the field you think is too much for you. Of course, we're going to help you to remove those fields. Priority for this opportunity, is it normal? No, it's a high, so we can have that. Okay, what type? So let's edit here. It's a new business. What is the priority? It's the topmost right now. What is the financing option? He's going for loan. And what is the probability? Now these two things, these two fields are bind with each other. So if I talk about say prospecting, okay, and then it comes to 20%. By the way, these things also can be changed. And then if I talk about proposal, so it comes to again 20. Let's go and let's talk about close one. So that comes to 100%. All right, so we can change the value as per your requirement. And then we have the amount here. So let's talk about some numbers here. All right, this opportunity, was there with any campaign reference or something? Yeah, it was with some campaign. What was newsletter? Okay, I believe I opened a different lead because this also has 27 kilowatt, and that guy was not like Vijay. It was some other guy. I'm sorry, because otherwise this newsletter would have autofilled here. And then this is the basic information about the requirement of the energy. Again, the same thing for the address or no. Yeah, it was different address. I got it. So let's save this. So now your opportunity is saved, and under opportunity, again, these things are standard in every objects. When we talk about the objects, these are the objects. This is what we call objects. So open activity, appointments, and contact role. This is a very important thing here. In say in any opportunity, there can be multiple people involved in decision making. You know, so you can have people tag here. For example, if I go here and I'm gonna choose somebody, it says Silver. Who is Silver? He is a technical evaluator. Let's choose another one now. Let it refresh. Here we go. And then new role. And I'm gonna choose another one guy here, Mike Doucet, my friend from US, and he's a technical. What that guy was technical evaluator. Yeah, so he's a decision maker. All right. So now we know these two guys' roles in this opportunity is this. It will help you guys to you know move your opportunity faster. You can have multiple quotes. This guy ask you for Tesla first and then say, hey, what do you think about giving me LG or maybe Samsung? So he's asking quotes, and then last quote he wanna negotiate with you. He's asking for more discount from you, something. So whatever quote has been accepted, all right, and then you change the status on the code that this code has been accepted. From this code, the contract will be created automatically. So you don't have to do data entry once again to create the contract. That we will help you, making your templates, whatever templates you are using right now for your company, we will create that for you. So those will come in contracts. And then the opportunity line items means the things, you're gonna use to do this project, the products. So if I go here, I'm gonna choose inverter for time being, and then okay, here we go, and then I'm gonna choose this, and this is the product I got, Sucam. All right, and then we got the quantity here, 40 panels. It's the total price. Are you giving any discount? Yeah, probably 12%. Okay, it give you calculation here. That's the model number you have. That's the size and dimension, everything you have. What is the guarantee or warranty you are giving? So I'm giving warranty of 12 months or maybe more than that for 3 years, for example. And I save here. So this is how you're gonna have your products in the opportunity. All right. I also want to show you this is how your contract will come, your project will come here, your payments you have received, invoices you have sent, any kind of case, any ticket with this project, whatever files, documents you have, your codes document, because when you're generating code, it will convert in PDF. So your PDF will save here automatically. You don't have to create new, add new, attach new, nothing, automatically. And then you have the stage history. This is very funny part and very important part as well. Look at this, what I have done. Close won 100%. I'm a clever sales guy. In my meeting with my manager, I was saying, this thing is almost done. Yeah, the proposal has been gone and this guy is accepting. But sometimes even the customer, they accept the proposal. Again, they want to negotiate with you. Again, they say, oh, you know what? I'm kind of changing my mind right now. Just give me a couple of days to make the final decision. So what I do, if I go here, I change the stage of the opportunity, say they have budget, okay, which is 50%. Let's see the magic here. Let's just save here. Okay, so this guy in the meeting, Lisa Morgan, in the meeting, she was saying, oh, this guy is for sure. The Vijay, definitely he's going to buy that. I know that. So she, in the meeting, was showing me 100%, but out of meeting, when she called this guy to say, oh, you know what, I'm still thinking, blah, 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 blah. So here, the stage history is twice. So earlier it was 100%, and now it is 50%. And this is non-editable, nobody can change this. So it means you can catch your clever sales guys in the meeting, they're showing the opportunity which are above 75%. But the moment they finish the meeting, they come back to make it 50, 40% probability, 30%. So you can catch them here. Then you have the partners here, the competitor thing, which I told you before at the lead time. So you're going to have this in the opportunity. All right. Whatever survey you have done, or your referral partner, which will coming back from your lead. Actually, when you convert lead, all the information, whatever you had there, it will carry forward here. Then your commission structure you can create here. For the commission structure, we have given you a leaderboard, all right, where you can track, how many deals this guy has closed and what is the commission agreement you had with your sales guy that you're gonna pay him, whatever you have. Okay, so you can track that from here. So this is how you have lead, and then when you created the opportunity, the account already been created. If I click on this now, so this is now account. Under account, automatically the lead, it has become contact. Opportunity which you have created, you can track that here. Again, same thing, partnering the opportunity, quotes you have sent, contracts, projects, and so many things are there. So this CRM is a complete like 360-degree view of your company, that what's going on there. What is the sale, what's the pipeline look like, and what is the incoming 3 months in next quarter you're going to sell, these kind of things, what are your product or your services. So you can track everything from here. So I'm going to cover this till now, and I will make another one video for the next chapter. Till then, thank you so much. Cheers. Bye bye.